Here's the latest update of my wishing machine under construction here. Now I'm still waiting for the brass plate to come that goes on the right hand side. And up top here, I've designed these today. These are crystal holders. You can see I can hold my quartz crystals, wrap the wire around them. I'm going to share these 3 crystals with about 8 out of 9 potentiometers here. And you can see how they designed these, hold these crystals really neat. Made of PVC material. Anybody can make that. And I've been making the panels for the boxes. Now it's best to make the panels out of PVC pipes, recycled, because it matches the melamine coating on the melamine board at the front there. Okay, now this is the inside of it here. Alright, it's got to be wired up yet and put my crystals in there. When I get my last plate, my brass plate, then I'm going to do the other panel for the back last after I wire it up. And I'm going to do that panel there yet. So I've basically done 1, 2, 3 panels. Bottom one, the end one, and the top panel has been done out of PVC. And you can see how it matches the melamine board really good. Right, now the crystals here, when I put these in, I'll glue these in. I'll wrap the wires around these. And then run them to the potentiometers when I do all the wiring up and all that there. Okay, that's my latest update for now. So, thank you for watching.